Imagine being at the top of the world, defending your crown again, while everyone keeps asking the same question: has Father Time finally caught up? That's exactly the conversation surrounding Alexander Volkanovski after his latest title rematch win over Diego Lopes at UFC 325 in Sydney, where the Australian legend calmly outclassed Lopes over 5 rounds to secure a unanimous decision and tie Jose Aldo's record for the most featherweight title fight wins in UFC history. Following the fight, rising contender Lerone Murphy shared his honest take in an interview with Ariel Helwani, praising Volkanovski's greatness while also confidently stating that if he were in Lopes' position, he believes he would have gotten the job done. Murphy acknowledged that age eventually affects every fighter but made it clear that Volkanovski is still operating at an elite level, proving why he remains the man to beat at 145 pounds. With an unbeaten 17-0 record and just one split draw, Murphy is quickly emerging as one of the division's most dangerous threats and is set for a massive showdown against Movsar Evloev at UFC London on March 21, a fight many believe will determine the next title challenger. Adding even more intrigue, Volkanovski himself has named both Murphy and Evloev as the opponents he wants next, signaling that the featherweight division is entering a new era where hungry contenders are lining up to test a champion who refuses to slow down. As the featherweight division heats up, the narrative is shifting from whether Alexander Volkanovski can still win to who might finally be able to take everything from him, and that's where this story gets really interesting. Lerone Murphy didn't just speak with confidence, he spoke like someone who truly believes his time is coming, pointing out that while Volkanovski's experience and fight IQ are on another level, no champion is immune to the grind of long title reigns and brutal camps. At the same time, Murphy was careful to show respect, emphasizing that Volkanovski's performance against Diego Lopes proved he's still sharp, disciplined, and mentally stronger than most of the division. Meanwhile, Movsar Evloev looms as another undefeated threat, making their upcoming clash in London feel like more than just a contender fight, it's a potential changing of the guard moment. Volkanovski has made it clear he wants the toughest challenges available, not legacy padding matchups, and by calling out both Murphy and Evloev, he's essentially inviting the next generation to step up and prove they belong. With records, pride, and a future title shot on the line, every result from here on could reshape the featherweight landscape, and one thing is certain, whether it's Father Time, a new contender, or sheer willpower, the next chapter of Volkanovski's reign is going to be must-watch MMA. Thanks for watching.